Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can unarchive tasks and items in your ClickUp account. For example, if you accidentally archived a task and now you would like to unarchive and restore it to see it, for example, as a part of your to-do list or space. So let me show you how to do that. It's very simple. So head over to your workspace on ClickUp and select, for example, a team space. And what you want to do, guys, is let's say, for example, your space features a to-do list with tasks like these. So let me archive task number 3, for instance, by clicking on these 3 dots to the right and by selecting archive from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the given task will then disappear from the given to-do list. So you may undo that, for example, by clicking on undo in the bottom left corner. Or guys, to access all archived tasks or items in your to-do list, all you will need to do is click on filter here at the top and apply the archived filter by clicking on archived here. That is going to filter out each task or all tasks that have been archived accidentally or intentionally. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these 3 dots here to the right again next to the given task and select unarchive to unarchive it. So let me do that with the second task as well. And after that, simply clear the given filter by clicking on that X icon. And that is going to redirect you to the default view with now these unarchived tasks as a part of your current to-do list. And that can be applied basically to any to-do list or list in your workspace on ClickUp. Just use the filter button, guys, to filter out any archived items, and that should do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.